Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guide Wayne. Today I want to walk you through how to unlock your iPhone 15 Plus so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your phone app and make sure you're on the keypad, and you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI. You'll need to write down the number right here. We're going to need that number for the next step of the video. We're then going to swipe up, go home, and go to Safari to the website, theunlockingcompany.com. You're just going to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Apple, and the model, which is going to be the iPhone 15 Plus. Tap the unlock phone button. From here, we're going to swipe up. You're going to select the country you purchased the phone in. For us, it's the United States. Carrier is going to be AT&T. The cost is going to be $27.99, and this is a ballpark of the response time of when you'll get the final unlocking instructions from the company. Then you're going to enter the IMEI, which is the number we got in the first step of the video. And just for a disclaimer here, it says, yes, this is the 100% official unlock price. We unlock both physical SIM and eSIMs in the phone. Every purchase has 100% secure SSL encryption, and we email you as soon as we get the results. So while this shows 1 hour to 72 hours, usually you get the response pretty quickly. You're gonna add it to the cart, check out and pay, and then wait for the company to send you the latest unlocking instructions. Keep in mind that the process to unlock phones does change from time to time, so that's why it can take a little bit of time for them to get you those latest instructions. But anyway, once you get those instructions, you'll follow it, you'll unlock your phone, and the last step is you'll need to have the information for your new carrier to set up your eSIM, because iPhone 15 Plus is an eSIM only phone, so you'll need to reach out to whatever that provider is and then find out what you need to do to set your phone up with an eSIM. Now, a couple of things I want to point out with this website. At the very top, you will find 4 different methods to contact the company in the event you have a question or you want to follow up on an order. So there's a phone number, a number to text, a number to email, and a WhatsApp number. So that's one of the things I love about this site, is they give you a lot of different methods to contact the company to follow up, and they'll make the process smooth and painless for you to unlock your phone. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always,